Let me know, guys, if you can hear me well or not well. Feels like news are coming. Oh, jolts. Holy shit. Okay. I might want to take my... modify to the one. Oh, jolts just happened. Okay, never mind. I don't care about that anymore. Ooh. Okay. This is the plan. Once price gets to that point, that's what I'm interested in. Other than that, I just don't care. Hello, hello. Oh wow, delta is negative here. Holy shit. They're trying. Okay, let's see what's happening here. Okay, price is getting here. I want to see kind of heavy rejection of all that stuff. I want to create some cool ass thumbnail, so I kind of, at least something better than I have right now. Okay, let's make it like that. Holy shit, that's legit. Save it. Did I get one? Okay, oh wow, that's some squeeze right there. I'm looking for bigger amounts, and I'm kind of interested even not in these levels, but I'm more interested in that level, since it just takes the liquidity from there. Okay. Let me save it. Okay, and I'm looking for my favorite track list. Lo-fi Simpsons, because it makes me feel better when I'm trading. Okay, that's the one. Let's go. Why would I even get this freaking commercial? Cosmetic dentist. Okay. Okay, a level that I love is here. I'm waiting for the first signs of weakness, and I'm gonna go I'm looking for short right now because I'm in this time frame. There's the session. Of course, market is took the liquidity from here. Now it's targeting probably the high. I mean, it's already there. I'll close NQ here. Okay. Okay, that looks legit. Let me check 4 hour for the last 6 months. Apply. Okay, I hope this level will reject. I need some nice displacement here. So my goal is to find short from here. I don't care about anything else right now, so far. Let me check 1 hour time frame and 6 months. Yeah, besides that, it's just like huge order block. And my next point of interest would be like freaking here, which I don't want to care. Hello, hello, if anybody here. Okay, I'll make this like that. More zoom. If I can do that, right? Oh yeah, now it looks more fancy, I guess. Or I hope. Trying. 522. Position size is the most important thing. Okay. I'm looking for the moment when price reverses. Trapping all those guys. You see? It's a lot of freaking longs. You know what? That actually makes sense to me. To short. You know what? I'm going short here. Let's see how it goes. 100. I will go with 4 contracts. $200 is my risk, since here I'm feeling kind of good. I will take 2 off here if it gets there actually. At the top of the range. Next one will go here. And the next will go here, I guess. Modify 1. That's the thing. So I waited opening. They kind of got stuck. Not over leveraging though. A lot of them. You see, that's the delta. Those guys are in negative. And again, this resistance here. Let's see how it goes. What is this? There's no more news. So I feel kind of good about that. Yeah, close those bitches. Holy shit, it's okay. Whew, I was thinking they're losing. Let me use a little bit of something Fibonacci related. Yeah, I need to take 2 here. 1 might go. I don't know. 786 probably will be the best bet here. I don't want to be lagging here. Oh, okay. Ding, ding, ding. Take it, boy. Okay. Now it's a big. You know what? Oh yeah. Oh freaking yeah. It's funny though that nobody's watching this cool ass stuff. Dump it. Okay, okay. Will it go lower? Guys, I'm taking bets if it's gonna go lower. I don't want to take risks of it going. You know what? I will take 1 bid and I will move my stop to break even. Because it's kind of a little block here. Although I'm not sure. Yeah, you see? Ah, interesting. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm flattening. Why is that? Close positive. Yeah, I'm closing it. I don't care. Now it looks a bit weird to me. No, I'm not interested in that. And I'm not interested in that. I have no idea what's on my account right now. 130. Yeah, 40 bucks, nothing. Haven't made anything, haven't lost anything. I'm waiting for the jump into that area. Not gonna play greedy here. Can they push? Shit, I don't know who is winning, who is losing. We'll see. If it goes lower, I'm down for continuation here. Why is it freaking 4? I was going for more. It was 5. That's the way I trade. Let me do one bid off here. Stop in the break even. I don't like that shit. I never like that shit. Oops. Oops, sorry guys. I'm getting used to. That's some liquidity grab. I like it. A limit. Wow. Will they be able to push or not? Holy shit. Oh, at least I got some profits. That's some nice look. Oh, wow. I might even go for more right now. Yeah, that's what happens when... And... Cannot risk that much. That's what in the action. That's low. Oh, they're gonna win this thing. Okay, I'm going here for 400 here. And then the lowest here. Yep. That was interesting. It's like a first time. Dump it. Take it, take him, take him, take him out, take him out. Nice. May you be my little baby. Bing. It's gonna be dump here. Hello, hello, my lovely someone who is here. when I see 1500 trying to push. I'm so happy. Wait a second, did I? Oh, I already got some little something something. You know what? I need only 169. Modify 2 and modify 3, since I don't want to let it drop hard. Oops. Okay. Now I need to change it here. Very first time. Look at that beauty. Look at that live beauty, guys. Ooh, guys, you are screwed. Holy shit. Dump it. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. You know what? What I want to see? I want to see a little something something. And it's going to be here. Okay, 786. Never mind. Yeah. Right here. Guys, anybody here? Or I'm just talking to myself. I heard something. What I hear? I hear something that someone is losing their money. Shit, that's Fibonacci. I'm taking one off right now. Where's that? There? Please, digit. Slightly digit. Whoops. Guys, tell me you love it. Ooh. Are we going for the opposite liquidity? Right here. $100? Fuck that, I'm taking that. My goal is not to make more. Push me, push me. Till I get my satisfaction. Beautiful, beautiful, beauty freaking full. Okay. What's that? Do I have copy trading here? Ooh, I forgot. That's the way it looks. Now it looks nice and professional. You know what? I'm gonna do the continuation stuff. But not here. I need weak test here. Like 5 contracts. Is my copy trading working? Ooh, that's another. You see? That's some sketchy resistance and support level. So I have no idea what it is. Interesting. I'm on a long shit out of this thing. That's interesting. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna flush lower, but I'm looking for the long from here. Look at that. Yeah, right? Actually, yeah, Delta was pretty good there, but I don't want to short it into this thing. Hello, hello. Whoever is that, welcome to my stream. I hope you can hear me, because feels like I'm talking to myself. Nobody left any comment here. Look at this beautiful, 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 beautiful PNL chart. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Oh, it's gonna flush it. All these longs. I don't wanna short into that. It just looks sketchy. Look at that. I mean, some low risk can be there, but you see the absorption is fucking nasty. And since we're kind of in a bull market, I can tell, on a big time frame, I just don't want to play with that. I'm looking for these levels to play out, but from here, trying to short, it's like 60 to 40% that it'll work. I need higher win rate, higher probability. It might flush though, because I see all that stuff trapped there and it's not winning. Yeah, but shorting into that thing, no, I'm not touching that bullshit. Yeah, you see? It's just like, oh yeah, I took the liquidity. That's the point of interest that I want to long from. You see? They're not being let go. Holy shit, they're getting absorbed. Now they're screwed, looks like, right? No? Yeah, no? No, not touching it. That's some nice fight right there. Mm-hmm. Where are my levels? They're fighting for life. You know what? If it goes, right? Let's see. Works with my strategy. Ooh, micro strategy. Wow. Okay, guys. I will leave it here. Kind of scared of that bullshit. Mmm. Not bad so far. Go. Up, 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 up. Kill them. Not me. Shit. Oh, it wants to go. No idea where though. Yeah. That's exactly where it wants to go. I'm not playing when I see that being oh, holy shit, what is this? 400? 500? Okay, I need more trading here. Holy shit. Yeah, you see they're not being let go. Hello, the Blaze! Finally I see someone's nickname here. We're here playing pretty good stuff. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Maybe my future friend. Do you trade with order flow or not, or yes? If it goes there, I'm riding this bus. No, I'm not playing that. I don't see big heavy delta there. You see, they're not being let go further. No, yes, no. You see, they're not going further. So that's why I would skip this thing. They're trying to long, but they're not. They cannot. Look, 268 was able to push. Okay, now it's gonna go. Will it? Will it? Okay, low risk here. 228. Limits for the modify 6. Going further. For the big push. Will they be able to? I will leave it definitely for some profits, but I just want to see if it goes further. I don't want to risk 10 when it's already there. But I'd love to see the continuation of the move. Oops, nope, not today. I don't want to long into this little resistance. Oh, tell me. I trade 13 years. Tell me what you are trying to achieve and learn. When you started actually to trade. And maybe you know some concepts, maybe some stuff. So it'll be interesting. I don't want to risk more. No, not fighting that. If you tell me like your strategy or whatever you accomplished, you can tell me whatever. Because on my channel, you can find the videos where I lost like several years ago, 12, what 12? 12 Bitcoins in like a month of trying to trade. I mean, now it's not happening. I know the risk management stuff, but still. I'm trading since 2008 was interested. 2010 it was kind of okay, I'm down to do some stuff. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, I want to get to on a retest from here with the stop. Yeah, it wants to push further. I will just trail my stop loss from here. Okay, those highs, I need 6 contracts. It's getting to the resistance level, which is funny though. Will it push aggressively higher or lower? Go, 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 go. Perfect. Take it. Freaking take it. That's it. I'm not touching that anymore. Let me see. Do I have any limits left here? What's up with this? Blaze, don't be shy to talk. We're here doing social stuff. Let me see. So this account I just traded. That's one of the... Yeah, it's on 260, whatever I just traded right now. I'm looking for the price to get to support from this to this resistance, and I want to short from this area. You see, price was rejected multiple times from here. Like this big player didn't let it go. This big player didn't let it go. This, that, and again is going there. So I shorted first this. Earlier on the stream, you can find it. If I see some big numbers here getting stuck, let me see, 630, 578, 630, that's my point of interest. If I see some big numbers here getting stuck, and if I see the reversal from there, I'm going freaking short. I'm going the shortest. First, I assume it's gonna take the liquidity from here and get back from there. Delta is getting super heavy. Oh wow. Interesting. Holy shit, got disconnected. That's interesting. Okay, waiting for my screen to show up. Still waiting for bigger numbers to short it. Loading. Interesting. Look at me. Okay, some big numbers are being absorbed. That's what I'm interested in. It's loading. This thing got disconnected, which I hate. You can see. No, not there. Oh, finally, I'm here. I'm back. Wow. That might be my... Is it 35? I would love you to go lower. Oh wow, they're getting absorbed. Holy shit. Okay, no, never mind. Lower? Can we dump lower? Oh, sorry. Started to not long ago. I haven't done anything real. Just put the... Oh, okay, okay. So you're crypto investing. Yeah, I'm investing in crypto since 2012. Ah, I will explain you. Let me just get rid of that bullshit. What's happening here? Yeah, you see? Like that. Ooh. I will explain. 1 second. Because I need to manage properly my trade. And I don't want to F it up. Dump it, dump it. Take it here. Take it to the lowest. Fibonacci tool. Do you know any tools? Are you using any tools? Okay. Not long ago, if it's not a secret. Because for some people, oh yeah, 5 years, not long ago. Yeah, it is not long ago. I would assume. Oh wow. I don't want this trade to go further. Yeah. I don't feel very comfortable holding this trade here. Oh shit. Classic. I will be looking for this area to long from, because it's not a big of a deal here. Flush it there. Just want to see. Nothing. Nothing. You see? They cannot push. That's why I'm not feeling comfortable. So the thing is, the way I trade, price moves from liquidity to liquidity. Liquidity is basically where you put your stop loss. Okay, so you are investing in cryptocurrency. You can find a lot of videos I had. They're useless in terms of, like, right now those coins are not relevant anymore. Let me see. Big candle. No, they're not going. So the thing is, I don't buy meme coins. They're pointless. It's like gambling. I like to trade some, like, real stuff. Because the thing when you get some memes is just... it's kind of pointless. Because they don't have actual use or anything. That's why, to me, I would go with tech. Will it go there? Or it will not go there? So meme coins is just a lottery when people are just trying to make money quick. And I mean, nothing wrong with that. But to me, it just doesn't work properly. Because there is no actual use of all that stuff. And as an investment, it just works only when there is a hype. Oh, it's 100. I'll take it. Was I able? Yeah. $150. 272. That's what I need. Hey, why didn't it get? Perfect. And the thing to lower risk I like to do is to go from here and put not at the very top of the candle, because it'll save me some like $100. Wow, they're pretty. Yeah, that was the mistake, I guess. And I'm going to 0. Yeah, they are. They do skyrocket when they're built on hype. But the thing is, first of all, it's millions of tokens. I remember when CoinMarketCap looked like 7 coins total. Like Litecoin, Namecoin, Feathercoin, Bitcoin. I don't know, some couple shit coins, something else, but not some other assets. That's why I was like, oh yeah, it doesn't make sense. Oh, look at that. Can we reject properly? Dang it. My goal is to get 4 here and 4 further. I don't see big sale here yet, but I want to see it now. So now it's like 35 millions or even more of those Solana bullshit things. And I hate Solana only because of that. It killed cryptocurrency in some way. Because, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to me. When crypto was about private payments, some other stuff, it was cool. Then it became like just a gamble. And since I'm early for early adoption of crypto, I was thinking, oh yeah, that's what I like. That's my thing. And now it's, for some reason, it's just Pepe. Okay, Pepe is the thing that we actually invented with friends in 2017 with Bogdanov stuff. I do have picture with Bogdanovs, those brothers, dump it. But so far, for me, honestly, I'm not a fan. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Can you just go lower? I hate it. Take my profits. 3, was that 9? Okay. Yeah, and I honestly am not a big fan of all that. Coins, they lost value. You look at proper coins and eventually they are shit coins. Some of those nice coins, they used to be like with a transaction. Stellar Lumens is the first time I made 30 millions of that, well, bucks on that thing. You can find me on X. I posted in 2017, 18. I invested 30,000 and got like 30 mils, 27 mils. And I exited on 92 cents at the very top on a day of high liquidity. Look at that. And I was pretty happy with this. Dude, this volatility is gonna... Can you go lower and let them dump? Why wouldn't you even touch it? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Now, you know what? Market moves from liquid. Okay, take it. Dump it. Ooh, wow. I don't need that. Why wouldn't you even dump it? Look, how many contracts. Wow. Oh, that's my 5th trade. It's a... Okay, this is Quant Tower. The place where I trade. Okay, I'm out of trades. I'm done for today. Now is the most important risk management, not overtrade. I'm checking all my accounts because I traded 6 accounts today. And all of them I'm up whatever I needed. So, okay, I'm not interested. Let's talk. Thank you for coming. So I'm using Quant Tower to trade. This is the place where I trade. It's just a basic, like a normal terminal. Some people, they can use like Ninja Trader. Some people use, I don't know, TradingView. You can go to TradingView. Let me show you. One second. Look, that's the TradingView. And you can trade here. Like trade. You go here. You connect whatever you have tool. I don't know. Honestly, I don't trade via TradingView. But people, they just, okay, buy, can I? No, oh, it's just random stuff. Okay. They do some trading on like on the oh yeah, let's load strategy, replay. So people connect their account. Okay, that's the account. Log out of paper trading. So whatever tool you're using, they connect this thing. I don't know, if you're trading on Oanda, you just connect to that. If you connect on to any tool, and you can trade, so it just uses login your credentials and you can use via this thing. It's most like universal tool to use. The tool on the left is being used for professionals. I trade for banks for like, sometimes I'm being like hired to do this, and I trade for them, and I'm using order flow. This is the actual, okay, this is what people see, and most of them are trading, and you know, it's 90, in fact it's less than 99%, I mean less than 1% in fact profitable. Some people, they are sometimes profitable, but when you are trading professionally, you cannot rely just on candles. To me, this candle means exactly the same as this candle. This is bullish. This is also bullish to me. Why not? It just stopped here on some rejection level. Why would I even use? But when I see it here, where's that? Okay, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, this is actually bullish because it dumped 860 contracts. Imagine one contract is $225,000, and when it dumps, multiply by 1,000, I wouldn't like this setup. Actually, right now it might go higher, I can tell you, because big sales. Look, this one was not let go, was not let go. If price goes against them, it will go higher. Let's see how, if it flies, because they will be forced to close their positions. And it's always fight of sellers and buyers. Sometimes people buy the top, like right now. And if they're not let go, they will be flushed to the bottom. But I assume it's gonna flush up because 2 times they were not let go here, and there are stop losses here. This is exit charts, and I'm using it on a daily basis. It gives me the actual numbers of executions. So people who are buying and who are selling. Right now you can see it's almost 1,000 more people are buying. If price goes against them, they'll be like, oh, I'm losing, I need to close my position, I need to close my position. When you're closing your position, yeah, you see, they get squeezed. I'm not trading only because I already achieved my goal for today. It's a main thing. Don't freaking fucking overtrade. So they were trying to short, price didn't let them. They tried to short, big player didn't let them. And now price goes against them. They're like, oh, I'm losing. And it's all psychological. They see, oh, I'm ready to lose $500. Here, I'm ready to lose 1,000, 2,000, 4,000. And in the end, when they lose like the most of them, they're just like being like cascade, forced to close position. This is how I made on the videos on this channel too. You can see how much I'm making because I'm trading the psychology of people. I long Bitcoin from 73k or 74 because I knew that. I missed bull run from November, but I bought it on December when it dipped first time. I bought it right now when it fell to whatever was that amount. What was that amount? 74, 73, 74k. And yeah, and I post all the time all these things because to me, markets are moving in psychology. Look, right now, a lot of people, I was just going to tell, a lot of people were shorting this and now they're gonna get squeezed. This is where market goes. I trade against the crowd. When you're targeting the opposite range of people, like retail and everything, you're winning. Try to think the smart money concept. They don't care about retail. They don't care about my position. I'm too small. I'm like the smallest or whatever. Even when I buy like $5 million position or something, I'm like the most useless, the smallest player. Banks, they care about other stuff. It's like, that's my, for example, SUI trade. Where's that? Save as desktop. Let me open. Yeah, that's what I posted. Where's that open? Yeah, that's my avalanche long. Look at this beautiful long. Look where I longed from. I haven't bought anything here. I bought the candle and it went up. I'll take it. The thing is, wait when crowd gives up. By the way, right now I'm expecting price, if we get some longer accumulation here, price will come here to this level. It's gonna flush all those guys. Look, it's a lot of people. Yeah, dude, that's freaking live stream. You see what's going on. At least this level, maybe even here to close the. It's a market structure. And the thing is, look at the Bitcoin. Yeah, that's what on my stream. So I'm expecting this price to go here and dump like crazy. My plan is to short from here, long from here. I'm short on euro. It's a pointless coin. I don't want a long XRP because I hate it. Where do you need to study? What were you were talking about? Because I'm just talking to myself and yourself, of course. The market structure. Okay, here's the thing I will give you. And just remember one tool, Fibonacci extension. I have a video, full video if you want. I'm a big fan of Fibonacci. And it's like the way I use it. Let me hide these sessions. I will show you something special and you will freak out. You ready? Let me know if you're ready. If you're ready, if you're super ready, let me know. Ready, perfect. The tools you can use on a big time frame. Always big time frame is the most important thing. If you take a look at the minute, you see it. It's just shit show is happening there. Up and down, up and down. If you are using big, like large time frame, this is where banks are trading. Bank is the biggest player in the world on the market. Bank can wreck everyone. Bank can save countries. It's like crisis of 2008. JP Morgan saved the America. It's because they just needed freaking money, and they're like, hold my beer, hold my energy drink, I can save you. And they gave a lot of freaking money. Bank is the biggest player on the market. I'm institutional trader. I'm the biggest player when I'm trading for the bank. The way you can buy your coins and stuff is here. Do you know about Fibonacci tool something? Or anything? Or what is this? Fibonacci. I will write you. The funniest part, you are alone here. I have my consultations $300 an hour, but I decided to go more like public, and we're just having fun here. So I appreciate you. Tell me if you know about Fibonacci. If you don't know, I'll tell you. There is no shame at all. Okay, so Fibonacci actually came from holy shit how long ago. And there was some guy, I guess from Rome, Italy, not some random Rome in States, as they have everything, St. Petersburg, Moscow. I'm originally from Russia, and I'm currently right now in Russia, but I'm US citizen. The thing is, this guy, he found in the nature that there is a lot of things are being repeated. It's like you look somewhere, I don't know, that's the AC remote, and you see, oh, it's a straight. That means it's number one. If you take a look at some bullshit, like something rounded, and they're like, oh, it looks like number 6. And it's all about infinite stuff. So it's 8. 618 is the level that I was targeting. Look, I'm gonna show you. I was targeting 618 level when I was taking the profits. Look at that. Not actually on this trade, but that's probably, oh my god, I want to short it, but I'm not. 1 second, I will turn off commercial. Oh, it's not commercials, it's music. Sorry, I like to. So Fibonacci extension is the tool where you actually can see the retracement, where it'll go down the road further. Let's say here on the local range, it's like, look at that. I would go short from here. If I wanted to take the profit, it's this 618, because price, look at this, dude. Because price most likely hit this, come back. It's a psychology where people in the market, they give up, they start closing. Oh, I'm losing money. Those who bought here, I'm losing. No, I cannot buy. I cannot lose more. I cannot. Look, 618 Fibonacci. Look at this, dude. Oh my goodness. And another is 786, but I have the parameter 6. I haven't touched it here. So this is the, you see? You see that? It's already, and the move is like $10 already. It moved back. You can make the profits. It might flush further, but the way I trade is yeah, you see it? It'll flash. I buy shit coins in this box usually. When I was giving, I have Telegram and all that stuff. When I was giving levels on Telegram, it's mostly this thing. If there is a strategy, it's 100. There is no strategy which is 100% win rate. But this strategy is free on the channel. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not making it up. It's just, yeah, done. It's like $10 profits already. It came back. So might flush here because I like this box. On a big time frame, free money. On a big time frame, you can always, now look, now I will show you. Now Fibonacci from the top. First I want to show you, and I will explain how I move. Now price might reach this level. Might. Not always. They're not let go further. Yeah, they're weak. They might first flush here and then come here. It's a market structure. Like when it flushes here, it'll go back here and then it'll fall down further. Like, I will show you. 786 usually is another level, which I trade on cryptocurrency. So this level, yeah, it might go here further again. So the way I bought my shit coins is, and what I'm waiting for, you see, this is Ripple. It's 4 years or 3 years of Ripple. You go with Fibonacci extension, just a regular. There is a lot of bullshit Fibonacci's. And you go on the biggest, big ass time frame, on the biggest time frame. Maybe you can use daily if you want, but my assumption, using Fibonacci, price psychologically should, not must, but should and might. We're trading probabilities. You go from like the lowest point, it's there, but I would not use it like relevant because it was long time ago. I would go from the lowest, like latest here, from the low, and pull it to the highest high possible. That's the high. And I just want to extend it. You see, it's kind of close, but it doesn't mean that, yeah. And I always say in my videos, 618 always scams me. That's why I buy, that's why I buy a bit higher. You see, it hasn't touched 618. It just like freaking rocketed. Especially if you long something, that's like almost 50%. And if it's like 100 x 100, it's 5,000%. The thing is, if you ask me, okay, dude, take my money, manage them. What I would do, don't do that. I'm not doing that. What I would do, I would be trying to look for long from here. I'm not talking to like an autist, but respectfully, I just want to explain. Look, this would be the level I would be ultimately interested in buying Ripple. I hate Ripple. Most of my videos are about how I hate Ripple, but this is the Ripple. This is the high probability trade. You know, you see, market, it never goes, I mean, okay, it came like that, Trump got elected, it went there, yeah, but most of shit coins died already. By the way, you can tell me your coin. Let's see your coin. I might posted something. I have a video about Dogecoin when it was like somewhere there. I just want to make proper example so you will see how it works. Yeah, Dogecoin. What the? Oh, that's cool. So the thing is, when it was here, I was filming the video like by somewhere here. And everyone like, what? It'll never come back. But the thing is, you can see, I just waited. I waited and I bought it here. First longed here and then I longed here. Now I see price is getting into accumulation zone. And it might be the last low. Or I would expect price to go a bit lower. Maybe. Maybe not. Like take liquidity from here. And then that might happen. Tell me maybe your coins and we'll take a look. Maybe we'll see how it works because I posted a lot of them. Doge, okay. If I can show you what I found with Doge. I'm on my channel here. Don't want to show it. I combine it with my own. That's basically every time it drops and everyone is crying. That's what I get. Because trading, successful trading is the wait game. If you're not waiting, you're wasting. Wow, sounds cool. What? What? Am I broke? My computer cannot open some picture. That's funny. Okay, I will open it in Paint. That's my coins. Whatever I was buying, I was giving like upfront. Maybe some of them may be Doge. I don't remember. It's already realized. Stop loss in the break even and this. And my levels, that's my levels. This is, you see how it works. It was given before. I was longing everything, but it only bought 3 of those. And it's already with, have you traded with leverage or you're just spot buying? Like, oh, I have $1,000. I bought, I don't know, 5,000 of Doges. Or you're just like investing, just bought and hold. I would tell you are smart. And I'll explain you why. So if you ask me what would I do, I would just wait. Definitely. When have you bought Doge? Maybe you can tell me the price. What I was waiting to buy is like the lowest of that, Fibonacci to the top. And look, oops. And you can tell me your goal, just in case, for the price. You want, like, you're waiting for $1 or something, I don't know. Of course it would be nice. It might happen, might not. Oh, when have you bought? If it's not a secret, of course. Because right now, to me personally, it looks like it's a fantastic time to buy. I'll tell my wife. My wife has like funny stories. I always use her money on her Bybit account and I make those purchases. And she sends me messages sometimes like, oh, thank you very much for sending me crypto. I'm like, what? I haven't sent you crypto. I never sent crypto. Although in my videos back to 5 years ago, and actually last one, I did giveaway. So if you're carefully watching videos, you might take some crypto. A little, that a while back. Yeah, but you can tell me, like, I just want to tell you my thoughts. Okay, I'll tell you my thoughts, then you don't have to explain me. The thing is, let's say you are buying, look, that's the Fibonacci I just drew. From the low to the high. And this is the pullback. You might tell, dude, you lost money, you're in negative right now if you bought here. Nope. I trade X5 or X75, depends on whatever I trade. And look, imagine I start buying like, I don't know, like $10, $10, $10, $20, $20, $20, $20, $30, $30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50, 50. That's my strategy, what I buy. Because with $10, X75, this is, what's that? It's, you know, 750, right? And if I go to, let's make it 750, 750, 750. I just don't want to count a lot, but in fact, it's like 2K. This thing I bought, right? Average this price is like 20 20 20 is, what's that, 15 15 1500. because with leverage, where I buy, I'll tell you without leverage. Don't use leverage when you don't know how it works. So it's like 1550. So it's like here it's $2,000, even 2,200. For it's combined, it's 6.7k, something about that. And it took last one with 30 bucks. X75, it's another two. So it's basically almost like $8,000 worth of coin bought here, and it shot back. It's like it's a daily candle. So the same thing, the same day, I was able to see the profit of $8,000 on average purchase somewhere here, I guess. 30%. I bought like 800. I bought more, but in this example, $8,000 plus 30%, and using like $10, $10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, something, I got 30% of $8,000, and I can exit. You can sell your like $9,000 and put your stop loss in a break even, hoping that price will never retrace. And the same thing, imagine you have $1,000 without leverage, without bullshit, without everything. Same thing, I do Fibonacci on a big time frame. It's a weight game. 1 second. You use your $1,000. Your buy is right. Oh my God, why am I so stupid? Your buy, you are interested in this level, right? And you want to buy $1,000 like a smart investor. You won't put everything there. You will put like, let me do, keep drawing. No, I figured out. $100. I don't know. $200. $300. $400. Let's just make it okay. $100. $100. $200. $200. So it's 6. And let's make $400 here. What you've bought with your $1,000? You're just playing waiting game. Like my friends, they all killed themselves in the market while doing stupid shit like here. You went here and you bought 100, 200, $400. Unfortunately, it hasn't hit it. Your $400, so average of this is here, right? Like this is your average between for this 100 and 100, and this is 200, and average will be somewhere here. So you got $400 worth of Dogecoin here, right? And price retraced. It actually shot back here and came back. Okay, here, 30%. You made like 550 total on this range. When I invest in the long term, I would take everything that I invested plus 20% what I gained, just in case if I never ever see my price going back. So you got, imagine you got like $500 back, and 50 or whatever, right, remaining is going against you. You don't mind. You wait for another candle low. My strategy is 30%, 20 to 40% lower the last candle. I will explain you why. Tell me if you are losing me somewhere. Just tell me. I don't want you to be like, what the? Okay, look. Last candle. Where would you be, or I be spending my $500 that I perfect. So this is the level, right? So you got $400 total of stuff here. I would definitely remove all these levels that we had hasn't been taken, because right now they don't make sense. First time it worked, then it won't. Now I go with 20% below of last candle. This is where I'm. It's big, dude. lost millions of dollars trading. I know exactly. I can trade with like closed eyes. You see, you were on my stream. I don't have any stop loss today. It's like I won on all my 6 accounts, 600 to 500 something dollars on each, which is great, but it's because of some knowledge. So here, it went here to like 20% down. And this is where I'm starting to use exactly the same strategy. Maybe a little bit more tighter, because the lower it goes, you see, the first dip was like killer. It's all these stupid assholes, not trying to offend, who were buying here, especially longing. Long. Their stop losses, all of them were here. And they just got flushed. Market kills them, all of them. Then people more scared, but still they keep buying. Look, equal lows mean a lot of liquidity. Price gets there, kill them all immediately. You wake up, you liquidate it. And now exactly the same thing. So it flushed first time, it flushed second. Look at that. Here, I would be just only buying the first, but I'll explain you why I wouldn't be buying here, why I was buying higher. Fibonacci. Here, Fibonacci is irrelevant on the first one, because there is nowhere to draw it from. Although I traded that one, because no way. The first trade was like maybe from here, you can, but the actual push of the market was from November 7th. Look at this thing. You make 400 bucks, you use your 400 bucks you make here, it's already here, 550. And here it's even like almost triple, because your average here. So not triple of the first profit. It went here, and now I'm using 20%. Fibonacci is irrelevant for me anymore, because it just is going against the price. 20% down. This is where you start buying again. $100. Oh yeah, I can just click it. Another 100, 200, 200, 400, right? What you are making? Your average is again, right? First average here, 100, 100, and this is 200. Your average somewhere here. And again, you bought almost like exact bottom, but you maybe use more because you already gained before. So it's maybe not 100, but 110, 110, 220. You go here. Look at that, another 34%. And now on the previous amount, you made this. And now you go again. 20% from the last dump. And again, the same strategy. Take everything plus like 20% or maybe 50%. And it's all about, I'll explain you more, market structure. Here, what I would wait, same thing. It doesn't feel like it's gonna happen, but don't chase trading position. Yeah, not happening. Maybe not yet. It's exactly same Fibonacci thing. It's like all about swings. Swings low, swings high. When market reversed, you're using Fibonacci opposite direction. Not from the low to the high, but from the high to the low and just extend. Look at that, dude. If you were shorting, like selling, right? Short. Same thing. Sell, sell, sell. You would be still writing these crazy profits. What's that? Average, let's say here, 68%, 67. Right now, market is slowing down. People, they keep shorting, they keep selling. Some of my friends, oh yeah, I'm still short. I'm like, what? Why you are not short here, or maybe here, where it's actually good short? In this example, yeah, it's always easier to draw things when you see here, like it hasn't touched. But in this case, from that high to this low, Do you see? What is this? It's a golden pocket Fibonacci. Imagine selling here to that. And now market is reversing. Feels like it's not yet, it's not confirmed. Market always moving from liquidity to liquidity, and it does what? It puts like here it was high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I don't know. If it's lower high, then it's a higher low, and it's a higher high. If we are looking at this like lower high against this thing, then there is a possibility to get lower low. And then usually this is like the nastiest week for the reversal. And then it might break the structure like that. And this is when the structure is broken, you can see, oh, that's definitely higher low, higher high, sorry. Retest, this is where I would be buying everything, because this level is very important. You can see how to see levels, even on free Fibonacci, even on free trading view. You can see like the range. Can you give me? I pay for what? Why it's not giving me levels? What? Am I getting scammed by TradingView? Dude, it's not showing me. I just want to see how much trading is there. It doesn't show me. It should show. Okay, never mind. So the thing is, all the trading is here, and it looks like it's a critical level. Even if we take a look, shitcoins, they go back. Shitcoins, they go back to 88 level, usually. So if we go with Fibonacci from the lows to the highs. Oh. Welcome to your bag, shitcoin. I don't mind having Doge. Look, 88 level, came back. And now it's a kind of accumulation, and it's exactly the same thing as you can see on some time frames. Oh my goodness, Nasdaq gonna die. Yeah, it's rejecting again this level. Dump it. It's like, you see, it puts higher high, and again like higher high, higher low. This low is definitely, I'm not blind. You're not blind. This is definitely higher than this. And this is higher than this. And it might actually right now break like that, and I'll be looking for a short. Market structure is all about higher high, higher low. When it's broken, don't trade against trend. If it goes there, I'm okay. I don't want to long from here. If it goes here, I don't want to long it, because this is resistance. It's not worth for me. Where I put my stop loss here, then I'm screwed here. So small time frame, it was just like this small time frame on Nasdaq. Sorry. Yeah, it's a small time frame, like 1 minute. On 1 hour, it might have exactly the same thing, and it's more respected. You can see. Yeah, Nasdaq, you're cooked. I'm expecting that to flush here on hourly time frame. Basically, it's never like perfect, but we can see this, maybe this. It's already higher than previous. That's the possible level of reversal to go higher. That's the market structure, and I'm trading always exactly the same thing. And with the Dogecoin, you can see when you go to the daily, you might be at the very bottom right now. You might be willing to sell your kidney. I haven't said that, you just heard that. No proofs. I'll delete my stream. It's a really good place to buy coins not with like all your savings, but I would actually add to my wife's portfolio when price retraces here. If it retraces, I will buy. If not, my portfolio is just fully stocked with everything. So that's why it's like, where's that? Where's that? Oh, I will show you. I will show you exactly what I... Wow. Okay, 1 second. This is what I was posting in my Telegram. What I was needing. This level between this and this fair value gap. Let's go. Bitcoin. I assume it's daily. Let me clear that. No, I don't want to clear that. I just want to open BTC something. BTC USDT. Let's go with this. My box is from this thing, from the high of this thing to the low of this thing. When everyone was screaming, bull run, we took the liquidity, we're going higher. I was like, nope. My box is from this high to this low. Does it look legit? You can find it on Telegram. It's Ilia Askey. That's basically what I give up front. And there's nothing but Fibonacci. I'm not trying to be super smart. It just makes sense. Market tries here. Do you know what fair value gap or imbalance is? Like this thing when it just goes straight. And how it works on the markets? Tell me. Okay, so when market makes a very aggressive move, sometimes it retests it. And since there were no trades, we can assume, right? Okay, I hope this thing won't scam me again. Okay, perfect. You can see it's a trading whatever amount, I know, big money. It was trading here and then here. Look, you see, there is no actual trading. It just like skyrocketed. Market wasn't even like understanding what's going on. We just like longing balls deep everything, and nobody is resisting that. And then it went here to the point of control. Point of control of the range is where the most trading has been happening. And to me, market, when it goes here, it is trying to close the gap. It's like market is imbalanced. Market wants to be balanced. I guess that's clear. So it's clear? Is it? Isn't it? When you are doing something stupid in your life, you want to make something smart in your life. You want to balance it. So market did stupid shit here. It's like, oh, Trump to the moon. And yeah, okay. And I was like, okay, one day I'll be longing this imbalance. On a weekly, it might be just one candle. Almost. Okay, 3 candles. Where's that? Here. Yeah. And I was thinking, market wants to revisit it and close the gap. And like kill everyone who was trying to long it. People are super greedy. And when, I mean, I'm not saying something new. When price goes against them, they were just longing. Imagine people are longing, buying everything for, what's that? 105 days, 3 months, people were not punished for buying. And market says one day, hold my beer. And that's what I trade for and against and with. I knew This is a lot of liquidity. It's a lot of stop losses. It's a lot of people are going to be losing money. And it's like a cascade. It goes against them and they're not, for example, you're smart. You're just like, oh, I'm losing only a small amount. I'm out. And you are the winner, actually. I'm sitting here. Oh, no, it's a bull run. I'm like sitting here. I don't care. And now my balance goes to almost zero. And here I'm like, oh, no. I'm done. And I'm exiting. And then it's like, okay. And then I'm entering again. I'm getting FOMO. And I'm pretty, you want to know the funniest part? I'm pretty sure if I do this volume range profile from here to here, the highest amount of trades will be different. First here, and then here on this level. And I'll tell you why. Okay, highest here, yes. But you can see here, it flew high and then again increased. It's because people were greedy. They were like, okay, bull run, definitely bull run. Yeah, it closed the gap. But they haven't thought about next gap. It's not 100%. It's not even like 80% that is gonna close it. But if it goes there with all this liquidity, their big player was defending these levels. You can see 1 day, 2, 3, 4. 4 days, price was trying to go lower. It wasn't let go. Big player will be most likely defending this level and maybe this. That's why I went just in between. That's my logic. In between. And all those guys who were buying like crazy here, it's still a lot of money. It's all in Bitcoins. It's thousands of Bitcoins exchanged. They got flushed again. They lost again. So they lost here. They found last money here. And they lost again. Which is the most funny part. Why I cannot... Okay. When you see the market structure was broken. Higher. Same. Lower. Structure is broken. Now Fibonacci's are going negative. By negative I mean from the high to the low. Look at that entry. If you are trading short. And so far now it looks like structure has been broken. At least if we do this, we might be starting the bull run. I would buy here. Because why? Easy answer. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. People are trying to long it. Imagine for 8 days how many people are screaming bull run, we broke the structure, we put the higher high here. No. They're gonna get flushed first. Most likely. Not definitely, most likely. And you know what to do. With Fibonacci, you want to check couple levels. First of all, you're gonna try last local from the low to the last high. Remember this moment when you see the price coming here. You'll be like, holy shit. Or it might not go there because big player pushed this price, might be defending this level. And from my point of view, I would use like this. I see this as a low, you might see this as a low. Let's put it in the middle. 2 levels, I would be interested in buying Bitcoin. I don't care about anything else. If you don't see anything, I mean, you can buy right now. But trading is about having strategy. Investing is about having strategy. When you have the strategy, you don't do stupid shit. It's like what I was doing. Right now I'm in shitcoins. I mean, I don't buy shitcoins. I buy Ondo. I work for BlackRock and, pretty not small company. And I'm vice president of the digitalization and all this tokenization and everything. The thing is, what I did, I sold my Tesla. You can see Ilia, that's my last name there. That's my car. It was approved. And I bought shit coins. And I bought them when it was low. That's what I did. Because, yeah, I sold this 30K and I'll make X10. I'll get back to States, I'll get this freaking Cybertruck. So it'll get vandalized the first minute of some pink hair ladies. So I assume all these guys who were trying to long, what they gonna do? These guys, first of all, where they have stop losses, you know, above every local low, right? All these guys who were longing, they were putting stop loss. These guys who were longing, they were using stop losses. All these guys who were longing, they were using stop loss. If price gets here, it'll get dirty. It will. It'll definitely. Because this thing, this is how markets are working. All these lows, they'll be flushed to the first normal resistance. I mean support, sorry, supports. At the bottom support, at the top resistance. They'll be flushed to here. So, and maybe defended. And even if price goes further down, first, what you can do, you can just buy here. Let's say $1,000. Let's say you buy $1,000 here. You founded me on the channel and decided to trust some random guy on YouTube. Market structure will be like that. From the high to the lowest point where it drops. I assume it'll drop somewhere here. Price then most likely will retrace here. Like here. And or it'll go lower or it'll go higher. So your $1,000 is most likely what I'll be trading. Your $1,000 is most likely guaranteed 5%. That's why I go with X100 and risk it and get liquidated here. Don't. But anyways, $1,000 becomes $1,050. Then if it goes against you, I mean, you sell here $1,000, I don't know, $1,010, price goes to the next box. Next box will be more fun because it's a local. That's why price range is a bit sketchy. Then market structure, you see markets are moving like zigzags. Let's say it goes like that, like that, like that. Here I would be longing more heavy because it kills all these guys in this fair value gap. It gets now stop losses here and stop losses here, right? Because they were trying to long. It reverses back just in case if it goes down. It kills all these guys in a fair value gap. Maybe it triggers cascade of this to close this gap. And now this little order block where trading has been taking the place for a day, 1 day, maybe it'll flush here. This is the place where I would be trying to long it, and I would be using Fibonacci if it reversed from this local to that. And my profit of average stuff, let's say in the middle, now it's, let's put it like 10%. So your whatever amount becomes plus 10%. And the thing is, you sell it or it never goes back. It's possible. If you put it like on a weekly and clear all that bullshit, what do we see? Oh my goodness, what do we see? You'll like it. Since we put lower low, right? This is high, I assume. You see, it's all about how people are reading that. Maybe it was like that. Makes sense. Makes sense. To me, yes. Or you go on like daily. You can see market structure. I want some music. Feels creepy. Yes. Why? Most music apps. Oh, it's my streaming channel. I don't have premium here. Okay. Yeah, let's say lower, high, lower, 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 lower. Kind of similar, higher. Definitely higher than this. That's how it works. And now we see this thing, right? I don't know how to read that. When in doubt, zoom out. That's the one of the most important things. Here I can tell you, here we get two scenarios. You might like this one. That's why I have in my trading view this thing. And you see how it's working? I was painting that two scenarios here. You see, they were getting absorbed a lot, and I was thinking, or we flush all of that, or we just kill all these and these two. It pushed. So people here were shorting, people here were longing. First, it hit their stop losses and skyrocketed. And now my second scenario is the block. First of all, this is the order block where the most resistance is. And I'm expecting price to go here. I painted that like 2 weeks ago on my stream. Price might go here. And this is exactly matching with my Fibonacci, right? I don't have to even... Same thing, a bit higher than where it is right now. This one is a bit higher than where it is right now. Because this is the first resistance, but it's kind of bullshit. This is the second. I would not be surprised to see this flush here. That's how markets are working. It's usually power of 3 in some concepts. It's like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Or maybe accumulation, manipulation to the moon. Give me back my Dogecoin. So that's basically it. Oh, I see somewhere else here. At least been here. So yeah, that's basically what I'm expecting. And I'm waiting for the market to come here and flush it to here. And you see, this is the level where market respected multiple times everything, whatever was happening. It was resisting, and then it just kind of disrespected. And now big player who pushed that, they will try to defend the same level. They don't want to lose money unless they're just exiting here. That's what I can tell. Yeah. So far, for me, nothing is bullish about crypto until Bitcoin just goes to the new all-time high. That's the thing. It might get like that. I will try to search for the long here. You see, I never tell I go here, I'm buying. No, I wait for retracement. I will be able to secure some profits anyway. And I'm trading or small profits or big profits. There is no other way. And if I find... Wow, I have a lot of things that I posted during all the time. One second. Where's the Doge? Oh, Doge I was posting in November. I'll show you. That's the funniest one. Oh, it's Bitcoin. Shit. Oh, it's... Wow, I scrolled to the... Not even November. Yeah, I found. The funniest part, look at my screen. That's some good story. Look at that. That's from November. You see, November 12th. Elections. I was expecting this to drop here. You see the levels, 74 to 72k with a stop loss at 69. And yeah, the thing is, it kind of went a bit higher. So it was what? 90, about 90k. So at this level, I was expecting it to go here. Yeah, because I was basically on that time, I was using, like, let's make replay. I was thinking, I'm looking for push from here to here. You see what I was looking for back then? 60, it was 74, because I wanted to close like the full gap at the bottom. That's why I put like, was that 70 something, right? 74. And how it turned out, exit replay, where's that? Kind of close, right? 74. Was that 74? Even, oh, it's kind of even 75. With the 75, it worked. Look at that beauty. So that's how market structure is working. And plus Fibonacci tool does magic. But it went even higher. And you can see how it went like against all that. Now I'm expecting for this thing to go. No, that's it? No, doesn't want to. Yeah, and so far it looks kind of bullish, I can tell, because it broke the structure here, but I don't like the moment that you see day, like 8 days, 9th day, players are not, like, buyers are not being let go higher. And if price goes against them, this level will be critical. If price comes back to 92.7, whatever is this, there's two kind of prices. This will be the, so this box will be to me meaning like a small reversal for a while, and we might get back to retest or this block or this block. This one is more cool. It's like if you take a look at the global picture, remove everything, and look, let's take full range. And if you want to combine Fibonacci and point of control is where the most volume has been traded with. Look at that. Do you see? This is the, oh wow, yeah, right now we are so far rejecting from point of control. So whoever was not letting price go high, they're still winning. And you want to take a look at, you see the second after that kind of point of control is this, right? The biggest volume traded. Here is a bullshit. It's just dumbasses trying to long it. This is another point of control. Oh, it's also actually selected with a color. Let me do some settings. White. Developing POC. Value area low. Oh yeah, that's the value area low. I will make it like a red. No, it's not red. And value area high, I will put it also as a red. Okay, so we have the range of value areas. Price usually moves between them. It's like lagging, indicator, not indicator. but it follows the price and it makes you like understand, okay, if we are trading a long time here and price goes against this, you see right now we formed the range, kind of, maybe this range, even this, right? On like 2 hours it'll make more sense as a range. So players are not being let go against point of control. So someone is sitting there with big bucks and just saying, no, 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 not today, guys. We are going lower. I need BTC for what? 70K? 66? I have long orders on 66 to 70. If they won't let go, will not let go, probably that's in English. I expect if it goes below that, these stop losses will be triggered. And this is, look, it looks like a cascade. Look, imagine every person here puts their stop loss under each of those. It'll trigger lower, and then it'll flush this with a lot of, all these stop losses are like from this range, most of them. And people will be moving stop loss, moving. And this also will get triggered. And it might just go there. Or it'll stop here, or it'll flush right into that box, because it'll take all these stop losses, and here you can see it's kind of rangy here. Let's make it like that. If I want to trade something, I would be looking for a short from here to here. If I would be looking for something to long, from here to here, or maybe from here. That's the levels I'm interested in. Let's make it lower. Because if it gets to this point, to this red line, cascade, triggering that, all that, into this. This is the market making models. This is how markets are moving. That's basically what I would expect. It's just hard to me to say I want to long something into point of control. What I would be willing to long is when it gets to the value area high, gets back to point of control, I will go into this thing. Let's see, by the way, what's happening to this. I was expecting it to go lower. Oh my god. Oh, you see? You see? See? Yeah, same thing happening with Bitcoin. Look, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this level of resistance, right? Big player, it's 15 minutes time frame. Big player is not allowing these guys to go. It'll push again until he loses. It won't work, maybe in the next hour. You will ask me, why? How do you know? Next hour, it's New York session, lunch. When we go to the lunch, we don't care about that. It's just like, why my friends might call me, dude, I was short, but it squeezed me. Why? I'm like, dude, I was having lunch. I'm not touching Aladdin. We're trading on an Aladdin tool. So yeah, that's the actual reason why it fails. And what I would be looking, look, I'm pretty sure this thing at the top, 615, is the level where 599 was that? 615, yeah, that's the level. Where fat longs, kind of fat. Yeah, it's a lot. You see, a lot of longs. There is not many shorts, although this one got squeezed. Longs, price went against them, I would go short. And look how beautiful is this. If I do like that, yeah. Taking this short here, this is exactly what I'm telling you. You got some little range, right? Like, let's say, like a local range. It goes against, I usually go, when I see this thing, I go against that. It goes against, that's it, they're done. It got some range, again, like small, it's a minute, it's just example, range. They were trying to long. Is it the one? Yeah, that's the one. You see, there was a fight between longs and shorts. You clearly can see that, holy shit, 481 long, 176, this, they're buying. Once price and their stop losses are here under last candles, and they just got flushed. To me, it's a fantastic move already. And now, longs are trying to push. Actually, shorts, holy shit. A lot of shorts are getting absorbed. It might squeeze them a bit. But the thing is, again, you're like, oh, show me your Fibonacci. Okay, from the high to the low, 718. If you are guessing the direction right, Fibonacci will do the magic. And now, if market wants to reverse, 718, you already can make money. Like $10 move is $200. Oh yeah. Will they get squeezed? Yeah, now stop losses of these guys will go up. You see, they were shorting their stop losses here. They got squeezed. It's a fight. Fight. Might get to this point. Again, Fibonacci. This local. 718. Touch it, pierce it. Oh wow. Longs are coming in. They might even win something. Might not. Overall market structure bullish, price is getting closer. I'm not trying to trade in between, like on the same thing. I want to see clear moves, because all this noise is what is killing the balance. To me, main interest is this. If I wanted to take a trade only from here, I'm looking for structure. Buying, price goes against, I'm short until this box. But I will take my profits on a Fibonacci from first profits. Let's say here, 618 is where I might get some profits here, of course, move my stop loss into break even. And now, what is that? Look at that. We're witnessing right now the Fibonacci levels. 786, 618. If they get rejected, price will go to the last high. Where is that? Let's say it'll be here. Wow, that's too many Fibonacci's. Then price might flush quickly to this level. It's all going to on the zigzags by getting in the premium. Now it's gonna go higher, but because you see, I need to follow the range. Not this, that. Yeah, so they won, basically, looks like. Might go, now it's gonna take stop losses of this. If there is enough power, these stop losses will trigger these stop losses, will go to this block, might trigger that stop losses, might even squeeze, go higher, and lunch in New York. This is when levels are failing. Look, they're not trying to let it go. But for me, it's not a trade anyways, because I like to trade when there is a lot of trading going on and price goes against them. This is when I enter. It's like yesterday I was long here. That's my long. I saw a lot of trading here. Here. It didn't go higher. It went here. And this is where I entered long. Oh, yeah, here I entered long. Right after this squeeze came back, I entered long and I rode it all the way there. You will see, what is that? Yeah, you will see the funniest part, how I shorted yesterday this thing from 977 here. I shorted because you see, same thing. I saw a lot of them are stuck here. Nope. It's 1 minute. Nope. Oh yeah, that's the one. You see what I found here? No, it was 55. Yeah. Same thing. Market was violently moving from the low to whatever, right? All the time here. And then for some reason, it started failing. Look, it moved the price with 555, perfect. 63700, 1.2k. Why would you triple the, okay, double the amount of this or this, but price did the same thing, and now it's 500 pushing, kind of on the same place. And I was thinking, okay, I will short when price reaches 577. That was my short on the limit, because I thought I might not even have time to enter, because when they'll be getting flushed, these guys will get triggered. These guys, you see, it's huge numbers. Delta is green everywhere. It's like this thing on, oh my god, you didn't see that, sorry. It's all green here, and for some reason price goes against them. This is where my entry was, and after that you can see what was happening. And then my terminal lagged. I will put video today. I was trying to close my position, $66,000 profit, and it ended up closing at like 5k because it reversed back. Look, 577, this is where I shorted from, and look how it came back later. 577 and again went down. It's funny, I had like meltdown yesterday. I was streaming that on my Russian channel. I have Russian channel and this channel. My plan was to make 30k, but I saw 60k. It reversed back. I saw minus $500, and then it dumped again back. And then for some reason, somehow at the night, I couldn't click close. It was like not clickable at all. Yeah, I was just dying yesterday. You know what? I'll show you. That was just like Ilia, Askey, Rus. I was speaking Russian, but I already made videos in English. I was saying, guys, I will be cursing right now. That's my yesterday's stream. Look at that. I don't know if you can see. I hope you can see. That's my profit. You see, and I'm clicking. I'm screaming there. I'm like cursing and everything. Look at that. This is where I shorted from here, 799 and not 977. I said I longed from here. I took my profits here. It's like I'm screaming. And now I cannot. I was clicking, okay, yeah. Why I cannot close? And it's like 63k at the bottom. And I know I wanted to long from this place, and the price was going against me, and I knew that it must be long, but I just cannot close it. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, and I was clicking, and I was like, look, I'm not playing. It's left click, right click. It's not a montage. It's not some Premiere Pro or whatever. I just cannot close it. That was, yeah. And I'll tell you more. It's a 20 accounts multiplier. It's like 2 mil negative. If I lose everything, it's $120,000 account. Not Apex, but my personal. But the thing is, yeah. I will put it today in English. I had recording, I just didn't have time. Oh yeah, you see? So these guys, they decided to win. New York at the lunch, time to break the structure. Yes, in New York it's 12, yeah. And we can see how markets are moving here. Oh wow, wow, look. Okay, they're trying to short, they cannot yet. Delta is again super green here. If it goes higher, it'll trigger. This is how Cascade is working. It'll trigger these guys, will jump higher, will trigger these guys, jump higher, will trigger these guys, and it'll be like crazy run. But so far, you see, if price goes against that, if 587, no, I wouldn't be trying to short it because I don't see like 1,000 contracts. I don't see 500 stuck here. If I see like 1,000 2,000 contracts and price will go against them, to me it's a strong sign that we will go at least, if it's a high, from here to like here. And again, Fibonacci, my bestie. Okay, 618, a bit higher because I'm getting scammed all the time. That's the one. Look at that. Look, let's see how it just works, that the market structure. Look at that. They were trying to long. It's not just only these contracts. You can see it's like 3,000. Why we see only 300? It's the difference. It's a delta. The difference of longs are dominating in this. Yeah, look. If it goes here, it'll flush to at least this box here. We can go with like local Fibonacci's. Almost certainly price will reach this thing. You see, this is why I haven't entered here, because it's not a big numbers here. That's why it might even just go here and reverse. Okay, big player is present. Not the biggest. They tried to short and now price is squeezing them out. Their stop losses are here. And now you are playing between two stop losses. Wherever price goes, this side most likely wins. Trading is probabilities. I used to have this channel I created in 2020. There was COVID. I decided, okay, I'll have fun. And in fact, oh, Delta was super negative. 358, 323. They were not able to push it. So it's like 700 longs or shorts more. We're not able to push. Most likely price will go against them. But of course, I wouldn't be longing into that box. Why would I? It gets rejected all the time. I want to short from here. And now they're generating more liquidity. Probably price even somewhere here. Yeah, that box. Yeah, you see, algorithm is just running markets and generating liquidity. Everyone is jumping, oh, long, oh, short, long, short, long, short. And then when there is more of those, big player comes in and sees, okay, my DOM is depth of market. My DOM is the small right now. MNQ M5, MNQ. M25. Yeah, look, if it dumps, it dumps. First box, second box, 2 levels of possibilities. Yeah, that's basically, yeah, we're at the local point of control. Just trading, nothing special is happening. Oops, oops, oops. Long's gonna lose. This. Okay. Let's see if they're actually gonna lose. Ooh, wow. Shorts cannot. Longs cannot. Someone can. Yeah, if it goes there, shorts won. If it goes there, longs won. They're just all trapped there. Oops, oops, oops. Whoopsie. Dump it. Yeah, behavior of like market wants to squeeze someone. It's not even this box. It should go lower right now because it's even more of them. If it goes. Oops. Cannot be just that. Now psychology kicks in. Oh no, I'm losing too. No, I'm losing. No, my money. Mommy, where's my money? And now you see absorption in a block. This is the block. This is the resistance. Yeah. If it breaks that resistance, all longs who were longing, their stop loss is here. And it falls into the empty gap, into another. You see? The golden knowledge. And to me, yeah, that would be 10 pointer. Yeah, 10 points already here. Yeah, look at that. Now, all of those who are angry were trying to short, their stop losses are kind of somewhere here. That's irrelevant. This is already too invalidated. And you see, number is going to grow and they're gonna get probably pushed further. Because for me, it was the break of structure here. But the thing why, again, I wouldn't long it, I see a lot of shorts with this number were not able to do some heavy damage to longs. If I see like 600 longs doing nothing, I would go against them. Yeah, okay. You see? Okay, now psychology kicks in again against shorts. I just lost enough money to not understand that. Look at that. And now longs were kind of, now these longs are trapped. Their stop loss is here. And if this triggers, dude, it'll flush all these guys. Stop losses here. If it gets to the middle line, we will see this box and we will see Fibonacci. And the Fibonacci is, I will remember, oh yeah, the start of the box. Look at that. Oh no, mommy, where's my money? Ooh, gap, closing gap. Okay, that's the, again, you see, little something something. No, but it usually gets killed. Touch the... What is this? No, no, don't kill me. And now you can see delta is growing like crazy. But price keeps pushing. If price goes against them, they're screwed. Fibonacci. I just don't know markets. It's Fibonacci. And now I'll show you a little something something. Now we take a look at where price might go. Here to Fibonacci first. This is usually where it gets the retrace to for the continuation of the dump. And if I'm not right, then it goes from here. Same thing. You see more longs are trying to long it, but price doesn't go anywhere. They get flushed. And two levels. And they're kind of close. Yeah, you don't even see longs that are trying to long it. Big player is just like, yeah, bitches. And now take stop losses of that. And finally in this block, it might even, oh yeah, it's all those people who were trying to long from here. They were putting stop losses here. You see, it's 4,000 contracts. Oh, dump it, dump it. Fibonacci works. I used to trade only Fibonacci. And you can actually, let's say, enter from here. If you like DCA, dollar cost average, that, And let's say even, imagine if I'm stupid enough to do that. My average is here. I would be exiting on a Fibonacci 618. Usually it's 50, the level where you want to exit. That's the box where I would be willing to exit because I don't know where it goes. And our average 555. I usually aim for 10 points. And now you see they got all stuck and price goes against shorts. Now it needs to retrace somewhere. Anyways, you can always put your stop loss into some profits. Because this violent move, yeah, long's gonna do now well. Ooh, what's up, bitches? Actually, they were not let go. Yeah, we would be taking out with just a small profit after that, because when you increase like one time by second, third, I would be searching for, and now you can see the structure. We are aiming maybe for higher high, higher low, right? Look, some people, they trade trend lines like that. I don't know, some people use bodies, some these kind of, right? If it doesn't go below that, or if it goes into the range, the most likely it'll hit at least the middle or even the high and put higher high. And we will see this, that, until the this thing is broken. Feels like, and you see, it's a small risk, kind of. Oh, look, shorts were trying to short. No, bitches, I'm sorry for my French. Look at the amount of shorts they're dominating. If you guys are dominating, why price is not? Ooh, look at that. Yeah. So our strategy worked again. 50%, right? 50% touched. 65, yeah, touched. 50, it should go further because they're still fighting, trying to short it. And now they're gonna get squeezed to this level, to 618. Show me. $455. Wow. 455 surprises. Yeah, I haven't noticed. That's the big number. And look, they're trying to short, but this level so far is holding. What is this sound? Interesting sound. I don't get what's this sound about. The weather is nice. I want to hit the gym. Yeah, you see, they're trying to short, but they're not able to. Holy shit. It's even more. Look at that. Yeah, they're cooked. And now even our... What I'm typing? From the very local. Will it hit 618? It should squeeze. I'm looking for this squeeze. You see, it's just holding the range. And again, now is whoever wins, they win. It's getting closer on this level. If it hits higher, it'll squeeze higher. Dude, I'm like freaking out with those lines. Look, right now, all these shorts, they have their stop losses somewhere around here. And they're trying to defend. If they're not able to, we are going for another high. You know what? 35. No, not 35. 32. If price goes there, look, I want to have just get some small move. Actually, no, why would I? I can just tell you. I just want to catch one pointer. Why would I trade? From here, I would enter on 69 to exit on like, yeah, you see? Okay. Longs. And now will, yeah, that's some big player intention. Look, wow. Wow. It's two big players intentions. Very big player is, I don't know who is very big player. They're trying to push. These guys are trying to defend. If price goes here, it'll flush higher. Some people trade like the range, but yeah, you see range is, I can say it's like kind of broken. So most likely it'll go lower because longs with these numbers. Let me see if I can see that. No, big shorts are not able to. It's that was actually the biggest sale out of all of those. Wow. Now you can enter a long. Okay, I'll do one contract on this level. Just one. Will I be able to get 15 bucks per account? They should push. And stop loss, I will put it 15 bucks. Let's make it equal, 50-50. Oh, wow. No, with these intentions, I'm not playing these games. Look at this, it's just like there. Yeah, feels like shorts are still there getting faster. Oh yeah, that's the dump is coming. These stop losses are all here. This is the range, and now it's gonna look. Now it's gonna take little jump here maybe, and immediately reverse. Maybe not. We'll see. I see. Wow, that's some interesting thing. Yeah, that's the chop. So basically, where price goes against. Thank you, Blaze. Same time, I'm turning off my stream. I really appreciate you are the first guy who entered my stream actually, because I used to do giveaways and I was just getting people who are like, are you doing giveaway? I will do later, but I'm pretty sure this trade will play out well, which I'm not participating. Thank you very much. Have a fantastic day. I'm going to the gym. Kisses. I'm not a gay.